Welcome to Gamer Maya Homeschool. Fun-filled games and activities for homeschoolers.
Hi guys, it's me again, and today we are going to talk about a cell and its cell membrane, and we're going to make a model of a cell membrane using these materials. So at first, what is a cell membrane? As written in the board, what is a cell membrane? So I'll draw this. This is a typical cell. Inside here is the cytoplasm. This one here is the nucleus. And this one, of course, is the cell membrane. The cell membrane filters what comes inside the cell and what stays outside of the cell. And we're going to do that the same, but using 2 jars and some different types of grains and powders. So you will be needing 2 jars, 1 jar with the lid that has holes. Ask your parent, mom or dad, to punch holes inside the lid. You will. For now on, I am using rice, salt, coffee powder, and pepper. You can use anything like sugar, baking powder, anything that could use for your observation. So first, you'll be needing 2 jars. You not be needing this one. So because you're going to do this, you're going to seal it with hot glue. I'll turn this on. That should do. So when you're done gluing, don't forget to seal it completely so none of the grains or powder will go outside. For the meantime, let's talk about plant cells. Plant cells have one unique feature that not other cell has. Some plant cells are a little bit square shaped. And instead of a cell membrane, which is a little bit thinner, they have a cell wall. And this thin part that's beneath is the cell membrane. It's the cell membrane. Of course, they need to have nucleus and cytoplasm, yes. But one unique feature is they have a cell wall. Now it's dry, one by one. Put the grains. I separate the grains into these little cup holders. We have rice, we have sugar, coffee powder, and pepper. Spicy. One by one, let's put it in flip it over like this. See? Don't put too much or it will get filled. That should do. Now let's add the salt. It's like we're baking something. Coffee powder. And pepper. Look what it looks like. So cool. Now set aside these cups. Clean them later. Tie this in. Really tight, but not too tight or you're gonna break them. Now let's see what.
So what's your hypothesis?
My hypothesis that the rest will go into the other can, but this, because it's too big, won't. Let's go. Look at that. It looks like the salt is coming in, and so is the coffee. Oh, look at that! Some of the big chunks, but it's still, but the rest of the coffee powder is staying in. Come on, let's see. Take it as hard as you can. I think that should do because my hands hurt. So let's see our observation. The coffee powder, rice, and some of the salt, which turned brown of the coffee, they went inside. Well, the rest of the big chunks, including the pepper, did not. So that's what cell membrane does to protect the rest of the cell. That's what